regional minister Ako, and this is the regional minister. Jeff Anetoswe Oko. Na omo say bedjuma. Dr. Fono Odo Makasa no more Dr. Fona be announcement. And that's we Dr. Pediba Kufri Konfanochi Bedin Kombo, whether they are really going back, said the regional minister Ekayenwa. Say Odo Makasa BBSC Amomusu Ombeko back to Ejuma. Sisi Ayeka say the information and is a doctor Nibienio.
Happening. I spoke with the health minister and on his direction, let's take steps to see how best we can have these issues resolved. So we came to meet with the union leaders to get their perspective and see how best we'll be able to resolve it. Thankfully, we've reached a resolution. However, they will make the communication themselves. So I'm sure that in the course of time, they will do that communication. Once they do the communication, then we'll carry that from there. But we want to assure the public that Ashanti region is central when it comes to health delivery. But we carry the burden of both the northern, the middle, and the Ashanti.
They all acknowledge. So, no medical practitioner, and you all acknowledge that the problem is big. Babana?
Gobi. Kurane okra agronibio. Tom and Jerry, agonibi no ekoso no. Onze said the minister, the regional minister himself or a doctor into oti the ekoso na say.
Yeah.
Oti the ekoso na say. But on him President John Dramani Mahama, the second State of the Nation address, and the
yeah.
Sir, quote, President John Mahama declares no patient must be turned away from any health facility they report to, no matter the circumstance. He said the Ministry of Health was in line to issue guidelines on the unacceptable no bed syndrome. And all they can say. No bed syndrome. No, how the president put it and how he wanted to resolve the issue. So the government would also continue projects at the police and general hospitals, blah blah blah, and also the Seua Aferi Military Hospital and the Maternity and Children's Hospital at the Konfanochi Teaching Hospital, all in the Ashanti region, will be pursued. This was the statement of the president during the State of the Nation address.
Mm-hmm.
And you know, said they kind of we know a political,
yeah,
a purely administrative. I say, boss, I can't say much.
Yeah.
Now, Ophelia say when you not so, and you know, metro so. But when you get to the general. In fact, say if the president tells us say, and I'm say, more CEO no announce and as a hospital announces say, woman patients, you know, and I almost suspend your more because you know what. Oh, here the operational guidelines.
Announce
yes, intermediate to say announce yeah, and original so they are suspending yeah. It is allowed. In fact, it is understandable because here operational guidelines now say an emergency center or emergency department is not expected to simply shut down because it is overcrowded. Emergency departments are designed to continue providing care during periods of high demand, using measures such as triage, nanok uboding, so the wild field into triage, surge protocols, and then in kick home. However, there are situations where an emergency department may temporarily stop accepting certain patients or even close temporarily if it cannot safely provide care. Yeah. Examples, blah, 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 blah.
Yeah.
Temporarily, they have the opportunity. In fact, shutting it down.
Yeah.
So
temporarily. Yes. A big machine and the nipa say.
Very good. How do you operate?
Baby obedani ho.
How do you operate? But my problem is the announcement. Oh, say we interviewed last week, you know. It was as if the hospital has announced say come. Emo bi amfa ni patient ma ho na ha ye ma obi anko. What you come on say? Enti ehonum no na ministry no ewo problem. But I also have a problem with the CEO. Per the letter ministry never told you say CEO no admitted that indeed he acted against the directive of the president.
Instead no dey clear. Say president Akasi.
Okay. Right. If it wasn't an announcement, say omo turning away patients he shouldn't have admitted.
Yeah.
Say you turning away patients. But okotena minister nanim Eji to Musa Mpa ma acting against the president's order because president order they say Mamun Tani will be away. But I don't say no.
Yeah.
They didn't turn them away.
Yeah.
But Omo at the every directive Omo. So what you gonna say?
Yeah.
That is where I find a problem with the CEO. I didn't know what you say. No cressy a pamu go for say Munipa Mahase, which was against the directive of the president, and the president cannot sit down for Saturday to go on. Say me mama directive. Say mamu say no why no. A administrative can say protocol. What breach? I know the Ochua so ditching. But you tell him that no, yan sake omo, nemum, ya directive omo, which per the practice you are in line. Umfum rabia. And senka minister no. And I say, see ona meka anyan tum say, oh no cre my phone because president asem okan man fa anya juma. And the minister had no audacity. So Obeka so suspended. No.
But it's your public announcement now. I even spoke to the PRO here.
Yes.
And he talked about why are you not actually say you need facility be a model more coins? Say no more they didn't say
that's right.
Few.
That's right.
They said they should go to the peripheral facilities.
Good.
That's what he confirmed. And that has been consistently their communication.
I don't know to say.
But way free. The minister.
And I just say, Kofi. So why should the CEO admit say, Matu president?
This is a communication from the minister.
So you can say,
communication from the minister,
where he said that the CEO admitted,
and he said if it's in if it's in writing,
yes,
it's in writing. CEO no try in response as to what he wrote on the paper say or the answers our question now that will prove much to me say or admit it.
That's right.
But as a minister, as a communication, communicate actually say or can say. You get it.
Even in contract, verbal contract,
and I make say it could be that the communication he might have explained himself how he did that. They said the Oma explaining to media because they spoke before he was called.
Yeah.
Oma granted a lot of interviews before he was called, and they consistently spoke the language that Oma redirected people to the other side.
Okay.
So Monko.
Okay.
But the whole can't say ni pani bedru comfort president say emane nko baby a and also I redirect say nipa no enko facility foforo me yenhwe no.
Okay.
When would they mention it here at that point you know you see the word turn away and chese was so no chese was won koni baby you get it do but that is not the communication that they have been given.
Okay.
But
me tell you, but me part say, I didn't share say rankasa.
Yeah,
it was made to, seem say, obi oyari biano a oba accident and emergency center hono. Emane ma ho, because why ema. That was how it started. Sani etene say it started before we even called in the PRO. No obe chechemni adeno. And so public perception was that why ema.
Only say I say nurses ni bi wo ye adwuma.
Necessarily be where
you but I want to say generally, as some I say, Obi anyhow.
You understand?
Nurse near me bo video and would know in Crawford Casa. Almost strike there, but only way. But nurse knew why. And you see, the communication how people pick out.
That's it. And make us say, the president, I can say, and my intent will be away. Now, or take steps to address our challenge, which indeed. On himself problems, it's our problem no.
Yeah.
Na kwa we fa so aye no ne say. Ombe na afari military hospitals ni other hospitals are aka nwurabu no. Ombe no ma ye since February no. And then what has happened to those hospitals?
They don't hear me saying.
If the president indeed say no o meaning the West and on him say a systemic problem at that no more. And we are not just take steps to address those challenges. What has happened to those hospitals as we speak now? I'm just saying all this. Said the bayer man for me who say president no and a chen baby and no say me I'm your boss. My come as him say and this will be I say and why ya na say we dia or no me no say. But what we are saying is that practically on grounds the tell say President John Dramani Mahama ashebo say on himself problems we ho. Na kwaye be fa so e be solve problems no and say ye be see for military hospital ni other war hospitals ni others no ya egu ho no ye yimfuni no e kire ye etiefo he say be bi ho no kra nwura age ho afa
exactly
and then the president ayafa ho ministry no Mintah Akandoh then why afa ho senke ye hu say visibly adwuma ekoso wo hono measures are being put in place. Say the be say hospitals no empo na bia hospital e take e to sa na mo no mpo na mo can be akejetum. But no, nothing is being done. Be bien who ekoso.
The reality on the ground.
That is the reality. Enti wo pese obu nipa no na brand su ana. Obu no aka say mensu yekom ya boy yempu say yekom esu a yeko school ye twa bias usu na ebebo.
Uber Facebook, these are the facilities aka wura muzi edua yi kura na nyina ebebu dan no kura na asa.
You see? But you promised the president should be reprimanded for not, you know, say o shebon went many so. Also say antwe waso ana. Right. I think this man has been used as a scapegoat.
Just that to keep them
to cover up, yes,
right. To cover up that
political expediency.
Right.
But you know, why union me Poma Empire Medical Association?
Right. Into ye fasima me na. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, Breno. Okay. Yeah, fasima.
You want union me Poma Empire Medical Association.
Okay.
In terms of solidarity, trust them.
All right. Meda CP Shrawan